We used TRAUMAGEL actually the same day that we were trained on it. I think what stood out most to me was, one, how quick it was to just learn how to use it, and then also just how quick it was to completely stop bleeding.
There was a patient who fell down his driveway, and he had a large laceration to the top of his head. Direct pressure didn't work, so it was resulted to the TRAUMAGEL. It stood out as a game changer, number one. It worked super fast, so a lot faster than anything else I've ever used. Of course, with just regular gauze, I'd have blood everywhere, and if the gauze didn't work, I put more gauze on there, and actually the TRAUMAGEL did not bleed through. So once you packed it in there, you didn't have to worry about my glove breaking on possibly a bone, a fragment, or anything of that nature. You're just trying to save their lives.
We use this term a lot in the fire service. It's just another tool in the toolbox, and it's a great tool to have in that toolbox. Now, instead of packing wounds or applying tourniquets, we're a lot quicker to get that bleeding to stop and hopefully changing patient outcome.